What's up, guys? Just got my uncle's trailer back over. I had to use my lights for it, so that would be done. So it's like pretty sure it's a 7 by 14, I think, if I'm correct. But it needs a lot of work done. Needs this welded back on. Like you can see that gap. It needs to be pushed down and re-welded. It needs new tires. It needs the fenders redone. It needs all the lights. This needs to be cut off. That needs to be fixed. That needs to be fixed. See, I have new pieces for these. Just a lot of little stuff that needs to get done. Alright guys, so we got a lot of the top rails prepped for paint. I gotta do that, not inside still. And I still gotta do all the bottom of the frame. Cut that off. And I'm gonna work on taking these chains. I just got them wrapped like 50 times around everything. So that's what I'm doing right now, just seeing how to undo all these chains, and I'm gonna figure out a perfect length for all kinds of trucks that he has, so he won't have to worry about having extenders or anything. So what I'm doing is I split this chain in half just right there. I'm gonna pull it open, then I'm gonna put, oh sorry guys, this inside there. So when you go to, what's it called? So I'm gonna weld the other side, like it don't need to be like that long. So instead of it falling on the ground when you have guys just using your equipment, it just stays on the trailer still, where you don't have to worry about it. And the pin is already latched onto the thing, so you won't have to worry about losing these. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. Just weld it and it's perfectly long enough. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces of chain. So that's what I use on my next one. Alright guys, so I just got done cutting the chains to length. I got brand new 5/16 hooks. I already got the spots on both sides. I'm using my Yes welder. I'm gonna put them right about where you see them right now. Just gonna double check, lay some beads. Alright guys, so I got the chains welded on. I just gotta clean up all the stuff from welding. Not perfect, but they're gonna do way better than just being wrapped around the frame. And right now I'm working on getting this down as close as I can. Probably try to get another turn out of it to get a little more flush. Then I'm gonna weld that up, since that side's fine but this side's broken. Then I gotta add a gusset over here, like right here. I gotta figure out how to do that. I still gotta cut that off too and do the same thing on that side, so this has more support for that door, or the swing gate down. This trailer gate was bent like this, so we took it down, straightened it, and because we got some relief cuts in each of the 3 right there, so I'm gonna throw patch panels on that. Then I'm gonna work on the wiring today. So I'm gonna run all the wiring. I'm just waiting for it to warm up a little bit, since it's only about 62 right now. But I'll have to talk to him about getting new tires, or figuring out what he wants to do, since I can't find no tires on Marketplace or wheels that's within reason, because it's like everyone's like $600. It's like, dude, I'll just go buy them for like $350, but I don't know. Alright guys, I'll show you guys when I patch these panels up. Alright guys, so in my last video, I didn't tell, or last part, I got all the lights ran and stuff. I got the ground, I got plenty long enough cord. Plus, I installed this, or my dad installed this box for him. All safety, what's it called? Striping down. Corner marker lights, 1 on each side. The fenders painted on the inside too. I had to put a new carriage bolt. My dad installed a tire hanger and got the 2 lights mounted. I mounted them like this, so you'll still see them when you're driving. It's just so now you're like, because he has guys that sometimes drives his stuff, and they wreck his stuff, and I've fixed it a couple times already. And if I would have put it down here, it probably would have gotten smashed within like a week. So I figure that's, good enough for now. If they smash it, I'll fix it. I'll put something better on. Me and my dad put this piece of mesh to fix the thing. Yeah, we use a lot of what's called screws and nuts with flathead washers. These are all the patches. I put a patch there. I didn't fully weld these because they're so, there's too much of a gap. But yeah, that one, and this one here. So that's strengthened. It's still tacky from earlier. There's the other one. My dad ended up, we had to cut these. They were too short. Because, so after we fixed this, the actual thing, it brought it in now. So then I did leave this one on just so it'd be easier. Just so, like, yeah, it's not perfect, but that's way better, what's called, well, the new tab there. So everything's done basically. I gotta wait to hear from my uncle about if he wants me to do any more welding. He said he wanted to do some plywood, but I figure he'll probably just do something himself for it. So I will have to see when I talk to him. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.